What's up, YouTube? So today we are going to be doing a whole lot of adventurous stuff. We've got a little bit of shenanigans and a little lift kit on my newly acquired daily driver, project, trail rig, whatever you want to call it. So stay tuned, and here we go. Somewhere in Mexico. Did you do it? We just send it right into the sun. You're not gonna look up. Easy, son. Hey, get a little fucking over. What the fuck are you looking at? Bitch. What the fuck are you waiting on?
All man knows where this thing's facing.
We've been struggling with this bolt for hours. We've made some progress here. We got springs in both sides, control arm in that side. We're pretty much just fighting with this, but it's almost midnight, so we're gonna call her quits. Boy, it's not been fun. We still got the rear to do. So, more to come tomorrow. Get her done. Day number 2 of the Cherokee XJ project. And we're rolling in style today, boy. Got that 6-liter dolly. Yeah. Oh yeah. No, officer. There's no tint on these windows. Oh, there's my 6-liter all the way over there. Woo! You won't do a burnout though. No balls. New balls. No balls. New balls. New balls. Somewhere in Mexico. Oh, 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 oh. Did you do it? Almost lost the camera. No gay. Snuff stop.
Sorry, brand new tires.
I forgot mine. Oh well. Let's get a pack of red, man. Woohoo! Yeah, we're handicapped.
Here.
Maybe in the mine. Yep. There we go. Got the red man. Got the Copenhagen. Got the Lopey Lope. Just get a good listen. Oh, no more. Okay. Look at that YouTube face. Oh yeah. So Bobby, how you feeling about the XJ project?
Oh, you know, could go better, but yeah. You gotta stop by your
What
show.
he really means is it's fucking junk.
We gotta stop by your show.
Yes.
Go! Fuck! Look at it all jacked up.
Oh, look at the Ray Yoda. Ray Yoda.
Wanna go, bro?
Oh yeah.
Wanna go, bro?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, if you ever need any services, T&D Services. All gutter pros. If you need gutter services, there you go. Oh yeah, there she is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's mean. She's mean. We're just, you know, taking a long stroll to the other side of the building to where Quad Randy's toolbox is. And there it is. Alrighty, so what all do we need here? Air hammer's in here. Good old Ingersoll. Wait, how is that drawer open? This thing's locked.
I don't know.
Box isn't sitting level, I guess. Nope, not that drawer. This drawer. Little bit of each. Love that hammer. And then, oh, I know I forgot something. I got a hammer bit for the air hammer at home. It's in one of my drawers in the kitchen. But it's like, it's got a nice hammer head on it, and you just. Alright, we'll just. Screw it. Actually, wait. That one will work better. It's not so pointy. Cheese. Oh yeah. Ooh, Pringles. I actually just figured we could stop it to make it easier or something. Unless you want to go knock this bolt out first and then get food. Oh god damn it, that's sour cream and onion. You should have gave me the whole pack. If anybody wants to send gifts, send packs of sour cream and onion Pringles.
Ooh, we might be able to get into a race now.
Huh?
Fox body.
Ooh. Hey, I think that's the one that come through by the house last night.
Maybe he cracks it, then I'm cracking it.
Fucking blow a little puff. Here he comes. Go, 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 go. Race.
Jesus.
There, he's still getting her. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed.
I really hope that's him.
Yeah, turn left. Are these good temps, people? Are they? Because we don't know. We don't know diesels save our life. How do my temps look? And what kind of oil should I use? Trump 2020. Trump 2020.
Better vote.
Better fuck vote. If you don't, you're un-American.
Vote Trump.
Donald Trump, he's the man. If he can't do it, no one can. Meanwhile, everybody be in the comments section. Huh, get off his dick. Quit choking.
I'm a Bernie supporter.
Quit choking on his dick. Bernie's the only one. Oh, garage door's open. That means Dad's out and about. Oh God. Oh God. YouTube, plug your ears. Oh God. We're gonna get yelled at. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's in the car. He's in the car. Oh God. Oh, they're both in the car. They're both in the car. They're gonna be so mad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, by the way, this is my parents' house that we are currently using the garage to work on my Jeep. Friggin' looking at us. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here. We'll start back up in a little bit.
That might be a good idea.
Bobby, you wanna tell us where we're at now?
Let me see here, boys and girls.
Well, we got one side of it cut off. The good old sawzall. So now we just got to get the other side. Springs are in, that control arm. So we get that done. We can put this control arm in, make the adjustment to the track bar. Bolt the tires on and the front's done. And then we're moving on to the rear. Hi. Yo. All right. Never mind. Woohoo! Fuck you!
Slap the fuck out of me. I just said JK. Thank you.
Look at that.
Yeah, I told you putting the other one in first would help.
Tell her with the hammer.
Huh?
Tell her with the hammer. She's almost through. Yeah, she's almost through.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me thread it through a little bit here.
Hey, we can use the impacts now.
Golden.
We get food.
Huh?
We get food.
Yes, on our way to the bus garage. Or on our way back, one of the two.
You just need that for that's fine.
You ready? Pittsburgh tools, everybody. Pittsburgh tools. The choice of professionals.
Let them know wearing my Snap on sweatshirt. Got to sponsor a little man now. German tape?
Yep, good and tight. I guess we can put the drive shaft back in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here, I'll do that. You come out of there.
I'll bring it down here.
Alright. Yeah.
Huh?
Golden. Well, ish. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we got her. Got him.
Sold.
This is the little BFH. Rough country lift kits, everybody.
The only thing I don't like,
Oh,
they're not lock nuts.
that'll be alright. Ah. Wowzers.
What's that supposed to mean?
You didn't see anything, man.
Sold.